Hi guys, so welcome on our Q&A session. Well, to be honest, this is our first time when we are doing this kind of thing. Yeah, we are a little bit stressed. So we prepared few questions that you were asking, and we have an idea for this kind of thing that we will choose one question.
Randomly.
Yeah, and we will answer.
We're gonna answer more than one question during the session, just to be clear. But
Yes.
basically, you've asked us so many questions that we're not gonna be able to answer all of them. So we're gonna be picking random questions, and each
Yes,
session
so-
we're probably gonna repeat it. Every time we're gonna pick like around 10 or 15 questions to
Yeah,
answer.
so if
and
we didn't
if
choose
we-
yours, then maybe
hang out the next time, check out the next episode of Q&A, and perhaps we will. So okay, I'm gonna mix them up.
yeah, you start.
Isn't that gonna be boring for people? Maybe we'll edit it to make it shorter. You want me to pick the first one?
Yes.
All right. Randomly.
This is
the-
Q&A. We're
That's
supposed
the
to talk. I
bigger
don't
one.
know.
Okay. How can I get my future to-be husband to learn dancing? He's so bad at it. All right. Well, actually, wedding is probably your best shot, because that's usually the time when guys like have no other option than to learn anything to survive the first dance, the wedding dance. So usually that's a strong argument for a guy to actually start learning, because he will simply have to go through it anyway, whether he likes it or not. And usually we don't like doing stuff that we're not good at. So once he gets better and he learns how to lead you, he might actually start enjoying it and then maybe get better. But give yourself some time and definitely just practice. There is no shortcut. You just have to repeat the motion enough times to get used to it and start feeling like comfortable dancing. Okay,
Yeah.
you read the question then.
Hello. It always brightens my day to watch your dance. I think you're incredible together. I was wondering how or when you two met and how you become dancing partners.
Yeah, we met pretty randomly, like out of the blue. I was walking on the street and I saw Paulina. We smiled at each other. We started talking. We had no idea about the dancing stuff, and then later it turned out that I was dancing at the time. Paulina
Yeah.
was dancing at the time. She was
So-
competing at the time, and then sometime later we started dancing together, competing, and then we created a wedding dance school. So
So it was like six.
most people assume
Yeah.
that we met because of the dance, but no,
Yeah.
it was pretty lucky coincidence.
Yeah, and it was like 6 years ago, so we didn't watch that much our phones, so it was
Yeah, it
more
was different
possible
time,
to,
yeah,
like,
you were
look
walking
at
down the street and
somebody,
actually
so-
looking around,
Yeah.
not in your phone. So definitely, guys, turn off your Instagram for a while. No one knows what might happen. Am I picking
Yeah,
the next
yeah.
one? All right.
So let's do like fun one.
Yeah, I wanna see.
Why don't you pick this big one?
Because I like this one. How did you find each other? Any tips for finding a dance partner? Oh, that's
Okay,
pretty
so
similar,
we
actually.
Yeah.
Well, in our case, it was pretty much a coincidence or fate, whatever you prefer to call it.
Destiny.
Destiny. How to well, usually if you pick a dance course for like Latino dance course, or for singles or salsa dance course or something like this, it's pretty
Well,
often that
any
people
group
are
dance.
any dance group. It's pretty often the case that people would sign up for a class without a partner, and then you can meet somebody who you can dance with. So that would be one option. I would try to convince you to start dancing before you find the perfect partner, because you might be waiting so long that you will never start. So just start and start dancing. Try different courses, different places, and it's gonna happen for sure.
Yeah, I know that there are also some international websites connected with dancing where you can add your information that you are looking for a partner, so there you can find some
Yeah.
match. And
Obviously, in case of it depends on what's your level. If you're looking for a professional
Yeah, but
on
not only
a
professional,
semi-professional level,
also-
or like basic competitions, then you
yeah,
can
but
sign
also
up.
beginners are looking
Yeah.
for a partner, so it's maybe you can try to
Yeah.
find a website like this. And I don't mean Tinder exactly.
Yeah.
Or any
Any other
date
dating app? Yeah, probably, maybe not the best place. Yeah,
to
yeah.
find a dancing. We don't know.
To find a dancing
We
with
didn't
it.
use.
Yeah. All right. Am I? Yeah.
Yeah,
Your
it's my
your turn.
turn.
All right.
Okay, I will choose this one. Oh, when was your most memorable dance? Memorable.
Yeah. You
When
want to
was-
start or should I?
You can start
Yeah.
if you have already an
You think
answer.
hour to
Yeah, that's what I-
dance because
It was
we've danced a lot.
I
and,
thought like,
yeah.
yeah, should I start with talking
Well-
about our dancing together or before?
I think in our case, well, our most memorable choreographies would probably be like for me the first choreographies that we created during creating online wedding dance because it was something completely new and a new challenge. I also remember very well a few of our competitions back when we were competing. For me, definitely, and it's really strong. Would be the my final performance in Dancing with the Stars in Polish edition of Dancing in the Stars. I was a runner-up 10 years ago, probably. So there's so
10
much.
years already?
10 years already, yeah. So there is a lot of emotion going on. So up to this day, if I hear a song that I used to dance during the show, my palms are sweating, my heart is racing. So it's a big life experience. So definitely also very memorable. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, that's what I wanted to know what you will say because for me it's quite similar. I have the same situation with the song that.
With the Dancing with the Stars song, yeah.
This is like when I hear it in the radio, it's like, oh my god,
Yeah.
it's like heart is.
No matter how much time has passed, yeah, that's how it works.
Or
So-
when you hear the melody of the program, it's still the same.
Well, yeah, but you were also competing like in the Blackpool finals.
Yeah, so it would be the second to my most memorable dance because it is like world championship, so it's like
For those of you who do not know, it's an equivalent of Olympic Games, I would say, in dancing, in ballroom dancing.
So when you are in the final, then it means something.
yeah,
It really means something.
it's pretty big deal, yeah.
That
So,
so I was in the first 6
couples in the
couples
world.
in the world, rising star professional ballroom dancers. So yeah, definitely the all final, entire final. And if I would say about our project,
Probably the last one that we did in a new place.
yes,
Yeah.
probably
We-
the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think that it will be already published.
Yeah, probably one of the latest published videos
Yeah.
that we did in a new room. So yeah, all right.
How does it feel to dance with each other?
I would say it's such a big question. It's really hard to answer quickly because there are many correct answers that are true answers, and it would depend on the day, on a song, whether we're dancing because we simply feel like dancing and we're having fun through it, or whether we're dancing as a part of the project that is work. So I would say, like with any other activity, sport, or even relationship, it depends and varies from day to day. Sometimes it's amazing and pure joy. Sometimes it's struggling and trying to do the best you can that day. So it's not always fun, just so you know, guys. And I think it's like this with any sports, especially if you start doing something professionally or semi-professionally. They say that the difference between amateurs and professionals is that amateurs are only practicing when they feel like practicing, and professionals are practicing always whether they feel like doing it or whether they're tired, they don't want to do it. So
That's true.
I think that would
true.
pretty much answer this.
That's true. I would answer that I like to dance with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Wow. That's a shocker after 6 years of dancing together.
So this is the first thing, and the second one is that we already know each other quite well. So I know your next step, or I know when you're not sure what's next,
Okay.
or
Or
it's
where
like-
then somebody's getting angry and you
Yes.
should, yeah, that's
so,
true. Yeah. Also, our cameraman knows us so well that he
Yes.
quite often is already able to predict our next move, which is also amazing about
Yeah,
knowing
because
each other.
what we are working with Kamil for already
Ooh,
2 years.
2 years almost, yeah.
And yes, for a long time, yeah. And
Yeah.
he knows us really well. And he knows not only our steps, he knows a lot of things that are happening
Behind the scenes, so we
So-
may never let him speak. No, all right, let's see. How long have you guys been dancing? All right, well, do you want to start or shall I? Because it varies. I'm gonna start. You're gonna start.
Yeah, I can start.
Yeah, you
because
start. You're dancing
for sure
forever.
you will have longer story.
No, I'm gonna say short story.
My short story is that I've been dancing for already 25 years. So I started when I was small, very young. What?
No, I'm just smiling. Yeah,
Yes.
she
so
learned to
it's
dance
my
before she
whole
learned
life.
how to walk, probably. Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's
well,
how you get to the
that-
world finals. That's simple.
Yeah.
But
From what I know, it was a dream. My mother's dream to dance. So probably that's why she signed me up for dancing class.
whole different story there. For me, I've been dancing for like around 11 years or 12 maybe now. I've started because I got invited into Dancing with the Stars. I was a runner-up. Yeah, it starts to be. Don't do that. I'm already nervous because of the melody. So yeah, I've started because of that, and I was always doing a lot of sports, and I found out that dancing is really like super complex because you have to match your timing with the partner and with the music, and you have to be mindful about each part of your body. So it was a great way to improve all other sports, and ultimately like a sport where everything is important, and it's really demanding of you to really raise your skills.
Yeah, but
So-
you've already done a lot of sports before. And
Yeah,
tried a lot of things.
It
so-
probably helped, yeah. But what I'm saying is, I got competitive and I was a runner-up, so I didn't win the Dancing with the Stars. So I sort of wanted to, prove myself.
Whole different story.
Prove myself.
here.
So I've continued dancing. I've started competing and stuff, and I've stayed with the dancing. Yeah. So it's a slightly longer answer.
You
Yeah.
see?
Again, yeah. Maybe I don't know if that's. Let us know if that's even interesting for you guys.
Hello. Your dance routines are my favorite. Beautiful sentiment with a dash of pizzas. I'm wondering, Paulina, how did the two of you met and get to know each other?
Same question. So we already answered how we met.
Yeah, but this is what it's the most common
Common question. Okay.
question, so that's why it's here. With a dash, sentiment with a dash of pizzas. Well, I think that this is.
I was surprised to read the dash of pizzas, but I think that's because Paulina explained to me that I'm in our tutorials. I sometimes explain the leading and initiating the spin of the partner, where you're moving your palm like in a circular motion,
Yeah.
and I've started sometimes comparing it to making a pizza pie. So maybe
Yeah,
that's
because
the
it's
pizzas.
easier to explain.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you
Everybody
liked it.
knows how pizza looks, and
And everybody knows, like, at least once saw somebody making a pizza pioneer. So
Yay.
yeah, I'm glad you like it,
Your
guys.
turn.
My turn. Okay, I'm going for the biggest one now because it just blocks my way. Do you keep training every day? Okay. Not now. When we were
used to.
when we were competing, we were training
Yeah.
every day for for between 4 and 6 hours a day. I would say, like minimum 2 probably in very busy days. But since we've started teaching others and running the business and everything, it's almost impossible. But we still dance a lot because while creating the routines, it takes still a lot of time and practice to make them
Yeah,
fluent
but
and
when we are
create the
creating
ideas.
the routine, we are practicing every day.
Yeah, then when we're in a where we're in a block of creating new
Yeah.
choreographies, then we're practicing every day. So we're still active.
Which have been your favorite song to dance? Well, I just like to dance to the song that I like.
Okay.
And that brings me some emotions and Yeah, I think so.
I really like the classics, like Second Waltz for Shostakovich, probably, but maybe not even because of the song, though it's beautiful, but because of the routine that we created
I
and a
also,
good shooting
yeah,
day.
in that case, I
Um,
also like the Thousand Years. Because
Thousand,
it's so
yeah.
beautiful. We had beautiful
Yeah.
light, beautiful romance.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's
Disney
difficult.
songs, like anything that brings up the emotions.
Disney
song. Yeah, see?
Disney songs, because we have a
Again, I don't know if we can.
But
maybe it's a secret.
we try to create a special atmosphere for this kind of.
For Disney songs.
Yeah, so they are really special.
We're not sure when we're gonna air this episode, so maybe they're already up and you can see them. If not, they're coming up soon. So yeah, like any song that brings emotions up, and it is great. Yeah.
So
almost any song. Yeah. Me or you? You. All right. Are we going to answer all of those? Or?
I don't know. We'll see. Maybe you can count how many we have there.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've already answered 10.
So maybe answer for 5 more, and that's it.
Oh, okay. You think better than 10? Or 10 is the...
So
the 11th is gonna be bonus, final question.
All right.
For this.
So maybe bonus for you and for me.
Okay, so 12 in total, of course. You cannot, yeah. Who's gonna have the last word, right? You guys are amazing, no question. Just wanted to tell that.
Oh,
thank you very much. So no, that's a very good bonus for us.
Yeah,
I mean, I really enjoyed that. Thank you very much.
You see, surprise. Alright, so here is again. Since how long
have you guys been dancing? So you already know. Together we've been dancing more than around 6 years, because we never answered that, or practically answered that.
And we have another bonus here. It's written, you both form a lovely couple.
Thank you so much. And so that's gonna be it for today's Q&A. We hope you're gonna like it. Let us know, because that's the first time we're doing this. I'm probably getting into too much detail sometimes. So let us know if that's even interesting for you guys, because normally we're just focusing on dancing, and I think that's still our goal, is to mainly provide you with wonderful routines to learn. But I've enjoyed that, and let us know if you'd like to see more.
Yeah, we are focusing, of course, on our dancing project, but still. We wanted to that you can know us a little bit better. All right, so we should finish. Okay, guys. So subscribe, comment, let us know.
Subscribe.
You don't know this word?
It's from French, like sous chef.
Yeah. Also, yeah.
It means under something. It was in the French, I remember.
Guarda la luna, guarda
Guarda la luna, guarda le stelle, guarda tutte le cose belle.
If you have any other question, write in the comment below this video. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
And
Great.
see you next time, and of course see you during our premieres.
See you guys. Thanks a lot.